ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातन्नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातन्नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम्। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a very warm welcome. Yesterday we concluded with the thoughts of the celestial beings who wanted to somehow change the mind of Bharata and make sure that their decision holds water. But then what happens, we will see. In the 296th chaupai, we will read, Kari kuchali sochat suraraju Bharat haath sabu kaju akaju गए जनकु रघुनाथ समीपा सन माने सबर बिकुल दीपा समय समाज धर्म अभिरोधा बोले तब रघुवंश पुरोधा जनक भरत संवादु सुनाई भरत कहावुति कहीं सुहाई तात राम जस आय सुदेहु सो सब करे मोर मत एहु सुनि रघुनाथ जोरी जुगु पानी बोले सत्य सरल मृदुबानी विद्यमान आपुनि मिथिलेषु मोर कहब सब भांति बदेषु राउर रायर जाय सुहोई राउरी सपथ सही सिर सोई राम सपथ सुनि मुनि जनकु सकुचे सभा समेत सकल बिलोकत भरत मुखु बनई न उतरु देत सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। करी कुचाली सोचत सुर राजू भरत हाथ सब काजू अकाजू। Though the celestial beings started the mischief that we will do something, we will change the mind of Bharata, etc., etc., which even Sharada could not do. Sharada decided not to be part of it and went away. But then very soon they realized what? Bharata Hatha. It is in the hands of Bharata, Sabuk Aju Akaju. All that can be done as far as success or failure, it is in Bharata's hands. They realized. Now see, now the camera turns. Gaye janaku raghunatha samipa. Here at Chitrakuta, Raghunatha Samipa towards Raghunatha Janaka, and he went along with all the retinue also. Sanamane sab sabi kuladīpa. Ravi Kuladīpa, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, Sanamane sab, he received all of them with lot of warmth and with lot of honor. He brought all of them. Samaya samaj dharma abhirodha bole tab raghuvamsa purodha. Raghuvamsa puroda, that is Raghuvamsha's purohit, that is Vashishta ji, he spoke those words which were Samaya Samaj Dharma Abhirodha. It is absolutely appropriate at that particular moment, at the same time which was absolutely in tune with Dharma. जनक भरत संवादु सुनाई भरत कहावुति कहीं सुहाई. Vashishta ji reproduced, meaning what? He narrated the actual conversation between Janaka and Bharata. Exactly, probably verbatim. He, reproduce the conversation in front of Bhagavan Ramchandra ji. Bharata kahauti kahi suhai. And he also repeated the charming speech of Bharata, the very beautiful speech of Bharata. तात राम जस आय सुदेहु सो सब करे मोर मत एहु. Hey Rama, my dear, whatever order you give, जैसा आय सुदेहु, so सब करें, all of us will obey as per your decision. This is my process. More mata ehu. This is my proposal. This is my thinking. सुनि रघुनाथ जोरि जुगपानी, बोले सत्य सरल मृदुबानी. Listening to these words, Bhagavan Ramchandra ji, he folded his arms, and with a very soft and very polite words he said, very, very, very true and very pure words, very, very wonderful words he spoke. He said, विद्यमान आपुनि मिथिलेषु, मोरकः बसब भाति भदेषु. In front of Vasishtha ji, he said, hey Guruji, in front of you and in front of Mithilesha, that is Janaka Maharaj, it will be altogether very wrong on my part to say something. Why? Great people, when you are there, what can small person I speak? It will be bhadesu, it will be ugly for smaller people to talk in front of elderly person. Ravura Raya Rajaya Suhoyi. Whatever order that you will be giving, you and by the king of Mithila, Janaka Maharaj, Ravuri Sapata. What a immediately he said, I swear on my Guru yourself that it will, and I will positively bow to it. Sahi Sirasoi, I will bow down my head and accept your commands as the ultimate. Rama Sapata Suni Muni Janaku Sakuche Sabha Sameta. On hearing Ramchandraji's Shapata, and that too on his Guru Vasishtha ji, King Janaka as well as the whole assembly, they were absolutely stunned. Taking the oath on the Guru is such a very big thing. Sakala bilokata bharata mukhu banaina utaru deta. Then everybody turned towards Bharata. So the ball came back to Bharata's court. Now Bharatji said, now again a whole thing has come to me. Now I have to take a decision. And then he took probably a few seconds and then he speaks. Bharata speaks. One of the most beautiful talks by Bharata. Most beautiful utterances by Bharatji. And realizing his condition now and releasing Ramchandraji from all conditions as though Bharatji will speak now. So beautiful, so beautiful. Sabha sakucha bas bharata nihari Rama bandhu dhari dhira jubhari Kusamaya dekhi sanehu sambhara बढ़त बंधि जिमि घट जनिवारा शोक कनक लोचन मति छोनी हरि बिमल गुण गण जग जोनी भरत विवेक बराह बिसाला अनायास उधरी तेहि काला करि प्रणाम सब कह कर जोरे रामु रावु गुर साधु निहोरे क्षमव आजु अति अनुचित मोरा कहु बदन मृदु बचन कठोरा हिय सुमिरी शारदा सुहाई मानस ते मुख पंकज आई विमल विवेक धर्म नयसाली भरत भारती मंजु मराली निरखि विवेक बिलोचननी शिथिल स्नेह समाजु करि प्रणाम बोले भरतु सुमिरि सिय रघुराजु सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Sabha Sakucha Basa Bharata Nihari, the whole assembly, all of them, were so confused, and Bharatji noticed that everybody were confused as to what he is going to say. Rama Bandhu Dari Dhira Jo Bhari. Rama Bandhu, the brother of Sri Ramchandra ji, Bharatji exercised very, very, very great restraint, and there's a lot of fortitude in him which he experienced, which he exercised. Kusamaya dekhi sanehu sabhara बढ़त बंदी जिमि घट जनि निवारा. And at the same time, realizing that it is not an appropriate time for him to, burst out or talk loudly, etc., etc., he controlled all his emotions. And Bhadata Bandhi, now he uses a very beautiful anecdote. What is that? He uses the example of the Vindhyachala Parvata. Bhadata Bindhi Jimi Ghataja Nivara. How Ghataja is Agastya Muni, the one who was born in a Ghata. Okay. Agastya Muni. Ghataja Nivara. How Agastya Muni arrested the growth of Vindhyachala Parvata. Vindhyachala Parvata was a disciple of Agastya Muni. Alright. Now Vindhyachala Parvata had a very important, very great ambition to be the tallest Parvata in the vicinity. So it started growing day by day, becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. And the growth was going on, and people was wondering, what is this happening? And therefore they went to Agastya Muni, and Agastya Muni spoke to them, and he said, don't worry, I will take care. Then Agastya Muni came to the Parvata, Vindhyachala Parvata. Moment Guru has come, Vindhyachala Parvata did namaskara, and it bowed down at the feet of Agastya. And it seems Agastya, see, when it is said bowed down, it is not that the whole Parvata bowed down. The presiding deity of the Parvata appeared, and he bowed down to Agastya Muni. Then Agastya Muni patted him at the back, and holding his hand there, he said, Hey Vindhyachala, you be in this form. In this form meaning what? Bent form. With namaskara posture, you be in this form until I go and come back. I have to go, I have to do some work in the Parvata, on the nearby Parvata. I will go on the other side and come back. You please be in the same way, posture. And when Guru says, anybody should obey, he said, okay. And Agastya Muni left, he never came back. Now Vindhyachala Parvata had to stay there and could not grow. This is one example. Now how is it being related, we will see. The Vindhyachala of Bharata's love is what is, referred to. Bharata's love towards Ramchandraji was so much and so much and so much that this particular situation where Bharata had to take decision stopped that particular feeling as of that time. There is a second metaphor in the next line. We will read those lines and then we'll come back to the metaphor. शोक कनक लोचन मति छोनी हरि बिमल गुण गण जग जोनी भरत विवेक बराह बिसाला अनायास उधरी तेहि काला. The interesting anecdote here is, we all know the third avatara of Mahavishnu. Bhagavan Mahavishnu took the avatar of a Varaha. What was the purpose? Now Hiranyaksha, the demon, he had taken the Bhumi, earth, and he had hid the earth inside the water, Patal Lok. And therefore Varaha avatara was exercised, and then the Bhumi was brought out. Here, now it is, related to this condition. The grief of the people was like Hiranyaksha. And the grief stole the earth. And what is the earth here? Earth is the intelligence of all the people. Now all of them were in grief. Now that grief stole away the intelligence of these people, which is the earth, and it went into Patala state. What is that Patala state? Is helpless state of mind. The earth was drowned and it was kept under a helpless state of mind. Bharata is now, as Brahmaji, creator Brahmaji, had to bring up this intellect out of that helpless state of mind, and wisdom, intelligence rose from Bharata's mind. What is wisdom here? We know earth, the intelligence rose from Bharata's mind, and Sundara Viveka of Varaha brought out excellent solution for this whole condition. People in grief, the intelligence being drowned into a helpless state, and Bharata now comes out as the wisdom which brings out the intelligence and brings clarity to every people. So beautiful. Soka kanaka lochana mati choni. Kanaka lochana. Kanaka, gold. Lochana, aksha. Hiranya, gold. Aksha, eyes. Hiranyaksha, Kanakalochana. So Kanakalochana here refers to Hiranyaksha. Matichoni, in the form of grief. Hari Bimalaguna Gana Jagajoni. It was the source of entire creation in the form of lot of virtues, everything happening there. It was Bharata's Viveka, Baraha Bisala. Bharata's Viveka, like Varaha, went in Anayasa Udharite Hikala. It brought out everybody's, that particular state and brought a solution for all of them. How beautifully it is expressed, is it not? Kari pranam sab kah kar jori, Ramu ravu gura sadhu nihori. Bharatji very, very, very reverentially bowed down his head with, joining his palms, Ramu before all, and prayed to Ramu, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji, Ravu, King Janaka, Gura, Sage Vashishtaji. Of course, Gura, you can also add all the other Vashisha, the other gurus who were there. Sadhu, the holy men who were there. Nihare, looking at all of them, he offered his pranama. Chamaba aju ati anuchita mora. Hey great man, Hey Guru, please forgive me today for all the words that I am speaking, which is unbecoming of me, because in the assembly of elders, small person should not speak. In the assemblies of Guru, a Shishya should not open, should only obey. But today I am bound to speak, therefore please forgive me. Chamaba. Kahavu badana mridu bachana kathora. With my immature lips, I am going to make some statement. It may be harsh. He asumiri sarada sahai. I invoke the blessings from my heart of hearts, the blessings of the charming Sharada Devi, Saraswati Devi, the goddess, Manasate Mukha Pankaja Ai, who will come from the Manasa Sarovara, the lake which is the very heart of the very being. With the lotus like mouth, she will come and she will, I pray to her to speak through me. Bimala Bibeka Dharamanaya Sali. Vimala. Bharata's speech was absolutely flawless. Vimala. Viveka, absolutely with wisdom, clarity. Dharma, with all virtues. And then devotion, Nayasali, with all devotion, Bharata Bharati, Manjusarali, and absolute prudence. And it resembled the voice of a female swan bird, Manjumarali. And why is swan bird brought here? Swan bird is that which has the ability to discriminate between right and wrong, good and bad, real and false, and then pick up only. Like how in a milk which is mixed with water, swan has the ability to drink only the milk and leave the water behind. That is a great quality of a swan, and Bharata, like he now brings in that particular example. All right. Nirakhi bibeka bilochanani Sithila saneha samaju. Bharata, he saw through the entire condition with the eyes of wisdom, and the assembly there, Sithila saneha samaju, the entire assembly was with full of love towards Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji. That is being seen in everybody's eyes. Even if the eyes are showing shoka, it also exhibits shoka born out of love for Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji. Kari pranamu bole bharatu sumiri siya raghuraju. Bole bharatu. Bharatji spoke, having done pranams to all of them, he spoke. While invoking Siya Raghuraju, he invoked the grace and blessings of Sita Ji and Ramchandra Ji. Now Bharata speaks. And in this, he first takes the most wonderful glory of Bhagavan Ramchandra Ji. We will see that. Prabhu Pitu Matu Suhrida Gura Swami Pujya Paramahita Antarajami Sarala Susahibu Sila Nidhanu Pranata Pala Sarbagya Sujanu Samaratha Saranagata Hitakari Gunagaha Kuava Gunagahari Swami Gosai Sarisa Gosai Mohi Samana Mein Sai Durai Prabhu Pitu Bachana Moha Basapeli Ayavu Iha Samaju Sakeli Jag bhala pocha uncha arunichu अमिय अमर पद माहुरु मीचु राम रजाई मेट मन माही देखा सुना कतहु को नाही सो मैं सब विधि कीन्ह ढिठाई प्रभु मानी स्नेह सेवकाई कृपा भलाई आपनी नाथ कीन्हि बल मोर दूषण भे भूषण सरिस सुजसु चारु चहु ओर सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Very beautifully he talks about Bhagavan Ramchandra ji. Prabhu, O Lord, He Natha, Pitu, Matu, Suhrada, Gura, Swami, Pujya, Paramahita, Antaryami. Hey Bhagavan, who are you to me? He says, you are my father, Pitu, Matu, mother, Suhrada, my best friend, Gura, my preceptor, Swami, my master, Pujya, you are so an object of adoration, reverence, Paramahita, greatest savior for me, and Antaryami, you know me in the inner heart. Why? You are the one who is living in my inner heart. Therefore, all of this you alone are. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva bandhuscha sakha tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva sarvam. Sarala susahibu sila nidhanu. Sarala, you are so simple hearted. Susahibu, you are very kind and the best master I have. Sila, a storehouse. Sila nidhanu, a storehouse of nobility. Pranatapala sarvagnya sujanu. Pranatapala, the one who is the protector of the one who has come and surrendered at your feet. You will never leave anybody. The one who have surrendered. Sarvagnya, all knowing. Sujanu, absolutely intelligent, clever. Samaratha, all powerful. Sharanagata hitakari, the one who is a well-wisher of all those who have come and surrendered at your feet. Gunagahaku avaguna agahari, the one who even appreciates an other's merit and drive away all papa, all sin, all bad qualities. Swami, Gosai, Sarisa Gosai, you are the only Lord, you are only my master, there is nobody else. Who else will I go? Mohi samana mein sai, dohai. Where else can I go? Now the point is, all these are qualities, and to you, I am a disloyal person. To you, O Master, Prabhu Pitu Bachana Moha Basa Peli. I have even failed in following the commands of my father. My father wanted me to take the throne, but I have not taken the throne. I failed in accepting his command, and I have failed in accepting your command. You also wanted me. And not only you, I rejected the words of everybody. You, my father, mother, minister Sumitra, even my mother, Kaikeyi's words also I have not taken. That bad I am. That disloyal I am. Aya uiha samaju sakeli. I have come here with all the multitude of men and women of the samaja. Without your permission, I have brought all of them here. Now look at this beautiful statement. Jagabhala pocha uncha arunichu amiya amara pada mahuru michu राम रजाई मेट मन माही देखा सुना कतहु को नाही. He says, nowhere I have seen, nowhere I have heard of anyone in this world, that there are good men and bad men, high and low. No? Amiya Amarapada, the difference between nectar, immortality on one hand, and venom, Mahuru Michu, venom and death on the other. Ramarajai meta manamahi. Who can ever dare violate Bhagavan Shri Rama, your orders, even in thought, word, and speech? I have never seen. Dekha, Suna, Katahu Kaunai. I have not seen anybody who can do, going against you. Hey Bhagavan, so may sab vidhi keen hi dhitai. That is what I have presumed, not to go away from your command. I will obey with thought, word, and deed. Prabhumani saneha sevakai, please accept me as your sevaka. Prabhu, please accept me as your sevaka and give me the command. Kripa bhalai apani nath ki na bhala more. Kripa bhalai apani, please. It is your grace and goodness. My Lord, Natha, kinhi balamora, only that can bring good to me. Dushana bhe bhushana sarisa, suja sucharu chahu ora. All my failures, you have made it into an ornament. Your grace, your blessings, O Lord, you are making me, great by your grace. All my failures, of not listening to anybody, of bringing people here, all that, you have made into an ornament. And my bright name and fame, Sujasu Charu Chahura, now that has spread all around in all directions. Bharata has brought out on one side the glory of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji, and he has also listed his wrongdoings. Both he has done. Now we will see what will happen now. रावुरी रीति सुबानी बढ़ाई जगत विदित निगमागम गाई कूर कुटिल खल कुमति कलंकी नीच निशील निरीस निसंकी तेउ सुनि सरन सामुहे आये सकृत प्रणाम किहे अपनाये देखी दोष कबहु न उर आने सुनि गुण साधु समाज बखाने को साहिब सेवक ही निवाजी आप समाज साज सब साजी निज कर तूति न समुझिय सपने सेवक सकुच सोचूर अपने सो गोसाई नहीं दूसर कोपी भुजा उठाई कहूँ पन रोपी पशु नाचत सुख पाठ प्रवीणा गुणगति नट पाठक आधीना यो सुधारी सनमानी जन किए साधु सिर मोर को कृपाल बिनु पाली है बिरिदावली बर जोर सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. ರಾವರಿ ರೀತಿ ಭಗವಾನ್, your ways, Subhani Badai, your noble functioning, the way you do, and your greatness, Jagata Vidita, it is known all around the world. Everybody knows it. Nigamagamagai, even the Vedas and Shastras and all sacred books, all of them praise with their wonderful presentation. Kura Kutila Kala Kumati Kalanki. Neecha nisila nirisa nisanki. Kura, cruel people. Kutila, perverse people, wicked people. Kala, again, wicked people, bad people. Kumati, evil-minded. Kalanki, the one who has got lot of bad qualities assigned to him. Neecha, very low-minded. Nisila, no proper character at all. Nirisa nisanki, he is very, very, terrible person. Known to have been accepted by you. You have accepted even such atrocious people. You have accepted and praised them also. Teusuni sarana samuhe aaye. As soon as you heard that they have come and they have, as a shelter at your feet, sukrata pranamu ki he apanaye. Even not even thinking twice, if they have come and fallen at your feet, you don't even think of their past. You have accepted them in your wonderful love. They only have to bow to you once, sincerely, of course. Bow to you, we also bow every time, but we don't have any sincerity, isn't it? We also say, Bhagavan, Kayena Vacha, Manasendriva, Buddhatma, Karomi, Narayana, Samarpayami. We never, there is no Samarpanam. It is only noise from the mouth. Think. Because we have kept our ego to ourselves. But the one who comes and surrenders at your feet, surrendering even their ego properly, then dekhi dosha kabahu naura ane. You don't even see their faults. But then you accept them. You hold them in your arms. You look at them with your eyes with so much of love and care. Suniguna sadhu samaja bakhane. While you have even proclaimed virtues in the assembly of holy men, like what you have done to me. You praise them, you don't even mention, you don't even recognize all the wrongdoings. You don't even think about it. You tell everybody, you know who he is? He is such a great person. He is such a wonderful person. Like that, you praise people in front of everybody and you have accepted them with open arms. Ko sahib seva kahine vaji, aap samaj saj sab saji. Where can you even find such a wonderful sahiba, such a beautiful master? Sevakahine vahi, so kind towards even sevakas. Apa samaja saja sabasaji, you would provide them with all necessities, all that which is good for them, even though they were bad. They were probably thinking wrong about you. They were probably even cursing you, scolding you. They were so bad in the world with the other people, coexistence. In spite of it, you just forget all of that. You brush aside everything and you accept them. And not only accepting them, provide them with all necessities. Nija karatu tina samujhiya sapane, sevaka sakucha sochura apane. And even in a dream, you don't even think, even in your dream, you don't think what he has done. And what you do to your servant also, you don't keep talking about it or even recognizing it. You just keep doing good to others. Sevaka Sakucha. In fact, many times you feel troubled at heart. You feel embarrassed if the servant is not comfortable. So churapane. You know that is the glorious person you are. So Gosai nahi dusar kopi. Hey Gosai, hey master, dusar nahi kopi. There is nobody as good as you. Bhuja uthai kaham panaropi. With uplifted arms, meaning I with my arms uplifted, I declare, I take this as an oath. What? Pasunachata sukha pata prabhina gunagati nata pathaka adina. A beast would dance. Pasu nachata. Sukha patha prabhina. Even the parrot may, attain proficiency in repeating what is taught to it. Gunagati, nata pataka adhina, proficiency of a bird and the rhythmic movement of a beast. Beautiful dance of the beast. And all that depends entirely on the teacher, the master. Yo sudhari sanamani jana kiye sadhu niramor. Thus, by reforming your servants, transforming them, and giving them due honor, kiye sadhu niramora, you have made them Christuals among holy men. This is exactly what you have done to me, He Rama. Ko kripala binu pali hai. Is there anyone who is so kripalu, all merciful? O Lord, then you biridhavali bharajora, who will, aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami maashtaha, he had said in Bhagavad Gita. I will clear all your papa, don't worry. Such a kind, generous master. Ko kripalu. Who is there as kind as you are? Says Bharata. Continuing. So kasaneha kibala subhaye aya ulai rajaya subhaye तबहु कृपाल हेरि निज ओरा सबहि भांति भल माने उमोरा देखे उपाय सुमंगल मूला जाने स्वामी सहज अनुकूला बड़े समाज बिलोके वो भागु बड़ी चूक साहिब अनुरागु कृपानुग्रहु अंगु अघाई कीन्ही कृपा निधि सब अधिकाई राखा मोर दुलार गोसाई अपने सील सुभाय भलाई नाथ निपट में कीन्ही ढिठाई स्वामी समाज सकोच बिहाई अभिनय विनय जथा रुचि बानी क्षमिह देव अति आरती जानी सुहृद सुजान सुसाही बही बहुत कहब बड़ी खोरी आय सुदय देव अब सबई सुधारी मोरी सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरु नाथ महाराज की जय. So beautifully, Bharatji brings out the glories of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji. Soka saneha ki bala subhaye. Through grief and through affection, and along with that mere childishness, probably immaturity. Ayavulaya Rajaya Subhayi. I have come here to just obey your commands, hey Bhagavan, hey Rama. Tabahu kripala heri nija ora. Yet, just the way you are, true to your nature, my gracious Lord, sabahi bhati bhala mane umora. You have taken all the disrespect and you have given me the best. You speak wonder about me, but you have removed all the disrespects given to me. देखे उपाय सुमंगल मूला, जाने उ स्वामी सहज अनुकूला. O Lord, I have seen that modest, beautiful, loving, blessed feet, and I have also come to know, Janevu, I have come to know, Swami Sahaja Anukula, that my master naturally is favorable to me. Naturally, you have blessed me with all your love. Bade Samaja Bilo Kevu Bhagu. In this august assembly, Bade Samaju, I have seen my good fortune in that Badi Chuka Sahiba Anuragu. I continue to enjoy my master, you, O Rama, your wonderful affection, your love, in spite of what I am. In spite of the wrongdoing from my part, I have been enjoying that wonderful blessings through you, O God, O Lord. Kripa Anugrahu Angu Aghai, Kinhi Kripa Nidhi Sabadhikai. My all graceful Lord, hey Rama, you have been extremely kind, compassionate. Kripa Anugraha Angu Aghai, Kini Kripa Nidhi Saba Adhikai. You have done everything to me more than what I deserve. You have given me more than what I deserve. I remember Puja Gurudev saying, you may never get what you desire, but you can never escape from what you deserve. I think I have got more than what I deserve. Bharatji says, Rakha mor dular gosai, apne seal subhaya balai. O Lord, by the very virtue of your nobility, Rakha Mor Dular Gosai, you have brought so much of, peace, goodness, which you are. You are the noblest of all. Your nature is nobility, goodness, and apane sila subhaya balai. My Lord, your swabhava has brought so much of good to me. Nath nipat mein kinhi dithai, Swami samaj sakoch bihai. I have given up all my feelings. I have given up all that because I am a small child. I don't know what to think. I don't know how to speak. Swami Samaj Sakocha Nihai, in this assembly, I have now spoken too much. I have presumed too much and spoken too much. Abhinaya Binaya Jatharuchi Bani, and speaking politely or impolitely, even as it pleased me, I have spoken. Chamihi Devati, please forgive me for my inadvertent way of speech. Arati Jani, please pardon me. please forgive me for all my inadvertent speech, and then kindly pardon me for all the wrongdoings. Suhrida sajana susahi bahi bahut kah babadi khori. To a very suhrida, with beautiful heart, so loving, so caring. Sujana, highly intelligent. Susahibahi, a very, very wonderful, great master. Bahuta kahaba badikori. It is a great mistake to even speak in front of them, and this much to speak too much is absolutely a great mistake. Aya Sudiya Daiya, please give me your command. I am waiting for that. And Sabai Sudhari Mori, for you, you have accomplished everything for me, but now you give me the command so that I will be able to just obey. What happens next? We will see tomorrow. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।